Hi, I'm Amy. Let's design the country garden porch pot today. We're going to use a combination of blues and grays. Let's design it in a 12 to 14 inch diameter pot. Mine has foam in it, but you could certainly use a pot of dirt and stick the stems in there. We're going to work from the back towards the front. Let's stagger the pussy willow stems in first, and one of them can stand up a little taller than the other for nice height. And then for height and color, let's stagger the cornflowers as well. So those are kind of sharing the space at the back and for the height of our design. Then in the front of the design, we're going to use this really pretty clematis bush. You can either spread the length of the trailing pieces to the left and the right, or you can drape them both towards the front. Let's try that. And that'll go down in front. So now we've staggered from back to front and created a nice flow of color in our purple to blue tones. Then on the left and the right, we're going to use the Waxflower Bush. I've pre-shaped that a little bit and flared out the stems so that they're not stick straight. We can stagger that piece off to the right, makes it nice and full. And then on the left, for the same balance of height, we're going to use the Asparagus Fern, and that one as well has been shaped and fanned out a bit. Looks nice and gardeny to have that fern in there. Then for some color, on the left side, we're going to use this Peperonia bush. This will trail really nicely. It has a couple of long pieces, so that'll trail out the left side of our pot design and really fill that out and cover up your base. And then on the right side, we need to have some fullness underneath the wax stem. So we're going to cut off a little bit of the stem length of this little greenery piece, which has that nice dusty color, so that when I place that in the foam, I can insert that pretty deep, and that'll bring my gray-green color and some fullness out to the side of the pot and fill that in. To balance out that color on the left, I'm going to use a eucalyptus stem in the matching gray-green color, and that one can stagger a bit higher, so it's kind of like an offset left and right design. And then to balance out the blue color from the right, we're going to add two of these little guys off to the left, but they need to be shorter. So I'm going to cut about 4 inches off the base of each one of those, and then those two will balance out the wax flower and bring that light blue color off to the left. Easy as that. Give them a little bit of a bend and flare them out to the side, and we've designed our country garden porch pot today.